Let's talk about one of the most important biological process. If this process didn't occur, we probably wouldn't have life on Earth, and this process is called photosynthesis. And this is the process of photosynthesis. This is a process by which green plants create their own food by turning light energy into chemical energy. It uses the energy from sunlight to produce sugar. This process only happens in an organism within the presence of chloroplast. Within the chloroplast, there is a green pigment called chlorophyll in which it is responsible in absorbing. This is the chloroplast, the outer membrane, inner membrane, the thylakoids, the granum, and the stroma. There are two stages of photosynthesis, the light-dependent reaction and the light-independent reaction, or the Calvin cycle. The first stage of photosynthesis, the light-dependent reaction. It is a series of chemical reactions where light energy is converted to chemical energy during the first stage of photosynthesis. There are two types of photosystems in the light-dependent reaction. Photosystems is functional and structural units of proteins complexes involved in photosynthesis, found in the thylakoid membranes of plants, algae, and cyanobacteria, located in the chloroplast and the cytoplasmic membrane of photosynthetic bacteria. Photosystem 2. This is a specialized protein complex that uses light energy to drive the transfer of electrons from water to plasticanol, resulting in the production of oxygen and the release of reduced plasticanol. Photosystem 1. This is a second photosystem in the photosynthetic light reaction of algae, plants, and some bacteria. It is chlorophyll protein complex that functions as a light-driven plastocyanin. The second stage of photosynthesis, the light-independent reaction. It is a process that is not powered directly by the photons from the sun. Instead, the Calvin cycle is powered by ATP and NADPH, which are the product of the first stage, the light-dependent reaction. The Calvin cycle steps. It starts with carbon fixation, then reduction, and last is regeneration. The formula of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water with the help of sunlight will produce glucose plus oxygen. And that is photosynthesis.